Good morning. We are Chiba High School students. I'm Yotaro Kobayashi.
Nagaoka Hirokazu.
We are going to talk about relationship between particle agglomeration and sound waves, possibilities of 200 Hz. Did you know that crystallization occurs more quickly when you rub a test tube with a glass rod? In this research, we clarified the cause of this phenomenon. When I was first grade, we found that ultrasonic cleaner accelerated crystallization accidentally. And we started this study, and in this study, we found vibration around 200 Hz accelerated crystallization and precipitation of colloid, and clarified the reason why rubbing with a glass rod accelerated crystallization. First, we checked the effect of vibration. Experiment 1, compare the time for crystallization. And experiment 2, checked frequency for crystallization. And experiment 3 and 4, checked frequency for precipitation. Second, confirm the reason of this phenomenon. Experiment 5, clarified the reason of crystallization by ultrasonic cleaner. And experiment 6, clarified the reason of crystallization by rubbing with a glass rod. First, this is crystallization of acetylsalicylic acid. First, we mix salicylic acid and acetic anhydride and add concentrated sulfuric acid and dissolve them. And in 10 minutes, crystallization occurs. Experiment 1. Measure the time taken for crystallization to start by checking with eye in 3 ways. First one, leave the test tube. Second one, shake. And third one, apply vibration by ultrasonic cleaner. Result. From this table, with ultrasonic cleaner, it takes very short time. So, using an ultrasonic cleaner accelerates crystallization. So, we thought vibration is related to acceleration of crystallization. Experiment 2. To check which frequency accelerates crystallization. Apply vibration of various frequencies. And this is equipment. First, this is vibration generator. And this is amplifier. And this is griddle to keep temperature 30 Celsius. And this is vibration speaker. And we made the wire like this shape. And we connect this part with vibration speaker. And we soak in solution this part. Result. Vertical axis shows the time for crystallization and horizontal axis shows the frequency. And this line is time of leave the test tube. And from this graph, supersonic waves, 20,000 Hz, it takes long time. But around 200 Hz, it takes very short time. So vibrations around 200 Hz accelerated crystallization. And to check in other substances, we tried supersaturated solution, but we found it difficult. So looked for similar phenomenon with supersaturated solution, and we found precipitation of colloid is similar. So we use colloid. Experiment 3, and this is precipitation of sulfur colloid. First, sulfur colloid and aluminum sulfate mixed, and in one day, precipitation occurs. And we examine how affect precipitation by vibration. And applied vibration of various frequencies to sulfur colloid for 10 minutes and measure transmittance. Result. Vertical axis shows the transmittance, and horizontal axis shows the frequency. From this graph, around 200 Hz, it has high transmittance. So vibration around 200 Hz accelerated precipitation. And compare the graph relationship between frequency and time for crystallization, and relationship between transmittance and frequency. And we found they have same tendency. And experiment 4. To check in other colloids, we applied vibration of various frequencies to colloidal iron 3 hydroxide for 10 minutes and measured transmittance. Result. Vertical axis shows the transmittance and horizontal axis shows the frequency. From this graph, around 200 Hz, it has high transmittance, and vibration around 200 Hz accelerated precipitation. And we compared the graph relationship between time for crystallization and frequencies, and relationship between transmittance and frequencies. And we also found they have same tendencies. And we found vibration around 200 Hz are related to agglomeration of particles.
By the way, the ultrasonic cleaner accelerated crystallization in experiment 1. Therefore, we thought the ultrasonic cleaner also was related to vibrations around 200 Hz. Experiment 5. Examined vibrations of the ultrasonic cleaner. This is result. The vertical axis shows of vibrations. The horizontal axis shows frequency included in. From this graph, vibrations of the ultrasonic cleaner included vibrations around 200 Hz. Experiment 6. We thought vibrations of rubbing with a glass rod also included vibrations around 200 Hz. So, examined vibrations of rubbing with a glass rod. Result. The vertical axis shows strength of vibrations. The Prisoner axis shows frequency included in. From this graph, vibrations of rubbing with a glass rod included vibrations around 200 Hz. Conclusion: vibrations around 200 Hz accelerated crystallization of acetylsalicylic acid and precipitation of colloid. And vibrations of rubbing with a glass rod included vibrations around 200 Hz. And we found that vibrations around 200 Hz are related to acceleration of particle agglomeration. And we found that rubbing with a glass rod accelerated crystallization because of vibrations around 200 Hz. Perspective. We would like to look into why low frequency vibrations bring this about. And we would like to use our findings on this property of particle agglomeration to develop new water purification technology. References. Thank you for listening.
ありがとうございました。それではこれよりご質問をお受けしたいと思います。ご質問のある方は挙手をお願いいたします。はい、では、マイクをお持ちいたします。お願いいたします。
Thank you for your interesting talk. And so I have a question about the synthesis of acetylsalicylic acid and the topic of acetylsalicylic acid. So I think the possibility the formation of acetylic cyclic acid is accelerated by the vibration. How do you think about this?
Pardon?
so maybe vibration accelerate. I don't know what step is accelerated by the vibration. So my question is, do you think about the possibility that vibration accelerate the formation of acetylsalicylic acid? So after that, maybe precipitation occurs.
In Japanese, okay.
ですね、アセチルサリチル酸ができるわけですよね。まずそこからなんですか、今回言ったら沈殿もしくは結晶が出てくるっていう話でしたよね。はい、ですのでどこのステップが加速されているかっていうのがちょっと疑問があるということです。まず反応が起こらないと当然沈殿出てこないわけですよね。今回バイブレーションを当ててる時っていうのは反応が起こっている時からもう当ててるわけですよね、おそらく。違うんです。反応がもう起こってるっていう前提で振動を当ててるっていうふうに考えられてるんですか？
反応が起こっているという段階で、私たちは、考えて、振動を与えました。
ということは反応自体が促進されているという可能性があるわけですよね、振動によって。
その可能性もありますけど、私たちはその結晶化が促進されたと考えて、
その辺の根拠っていうのはどこにあるんですか？
そうですね、そこはないんですけど、私たちはそのように考えて実験を行いました。
わかりました。ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。それではお時間が参りましたので以上とさせていただきます。千葉県立千葉東高等学校の皆さんでした。ありがとうございました。